Hey guys, Mike here. I know this is kind of a terrible shot, but my view is absolutely spectacular. I might turn you around in a bit and show you, but I've got some stuff to say first. So for those of you who have been subscribed for a while, following me, know me personally, you will have seen my meteoric rise to mediocrity. Anyways, I've been doing this for several years now, and I'm up to a whopping 51 subscribers at the time of recording. So I've been trying to shoot stuff that I think people will want to watch. That all changes. I'm going to shoot stuff that I would want to watch. So for those of you who subscribed for the small town Alberta, you can stick around. Those of you who subscribed for the large monuments, you can also stick around, because both of those series I really enjoy shooting. Sometimes it's a little tough to get out and shoot stuff, but I had this idea probably 2 years ago, go for a walk in the woods and kind of shoot some, B-roll of me walking through the fall foliage. But I dismissed it because I didn't think it would fit my channel. Well, there's where it is. It's my channel. And if I want to shoot a video of me walking through the fall colors, I'm going to shoot it, edit it, and post it. And if you guys want to watch it, you will. And if you don't, you're going to click away. So I'm shooting what appeals to me from this point forward. So small town Alberta, the large monuments, there's going to be some like random drone footage, possibly some photography tutorials, or maybe not. You're gonna have to stick around to find out, but I'm shooting this for me, doing what I want to do with this photography thing, because doing what I think people want to see hasn't worked. Subscribe if that's something you're into. You can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna walk around a little bit, probably take some pictures, probably include those, but until next time, bye-bye. Oh, I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see what I was looking at while you were looking at this.